Hello everyone, welcome. In this Wix tutorial, this time I will show you how to duplicate a page on Wix websites. So firstly, press on Edit Site. Of course, make sure to choose the proper website you want to do this duplication for. After that, you'll be taken to your website editor where you can edit multiple things. Alright guys, so in order to duplicate, this is actually pretty simple. So there are two ways of doing this. You can do this on the website itself visually. So for example, I want to duplicate my top picks section right in this page. So how to do this? You just select it and you need to have the three dots, right? So you can see this little panel in here. You just click on three dots, which is more actions, and you just click on duplicate. Also, the shortcut on the keyboard is Ctrl-D. And after doing this, you will have two same basically pages on your website. And the other way is pressing on the pages and menu section in here on your left sidebar. And then you can just choose a certain page, for example, on the side menu. And for example, if I want to choose shop and duplicate it, press on the three dots and press on duplicate like this. And as you can see, you can now name it, for example, copy of shop, press on done, and now you have the copy. So this is pretty much how this is done, guys. Hopefully you enjoy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon, guys.